Hi guys, it's Steve here. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing for my new Shimpo Aspire pottery wheel that I just got in the mail. And okay, I've kind of already taken it out of the box, but everything's here to go through a demo and description of what all is here, and just so you can kind of see what I'm setting up here. So without further ado, let's talk about this awesome little blue wheel. I've used these a lot in the past if you've seen some of my older videos, but this one is amazing, and if you haven't seen this one, it's so awesome. So I've already taken it out of the box, but you can see the box is pretty small. I think the shipping weight was like 23 or 25 pounds. The FedEx guy just carried it right up. It was no problem. Set it on the porch. I grabbed it, carried it inside. No problem at all. It's really well packaged. There's a lot of styrofoam in there, unfortunately. That's kind of what it is. It came with the really basic owner's manual, which doesn't tell you a whole lot. It also came with this throwing on the potter's wheel by Danielle McDaniel, the clay lady. So that'll be fun to check out as a fellow teacher. It's a CD. A couple things to note. I'll just spin it around so it's easier to see. This one I bought without a foot pedal. It's a little cheaper. It has a little handle. That's your speed control. And this thing screws in. This came in a separate little Ziploc bag. And I thought, what is that tool? Must be for fixing something. It's the handle, so make sure you don't throw away the handle. Take that and screw it on there. Nice and tight. And then this is how you control your speed. Slow or stop, go fast. Slow, fast. On-off switch is right there. Obviously you got a 3-prong plug. There was a lot of plastic wrap around this, which I pulled all the plastic wrap off. And this is kind of how this is set up. I'll spin this over a little closer. So it comes with 2 bats. And these are nice, but they're small. So you could customize maybe a larger wooden bat and drill the same hole pattern if you wanted to. That certainly would be an option. And then you have this removable splash pan, and when this arrived it was not attached. It was just sitting in here wrapped in plastic. This comes off like that, so you can easily clean it, which is really nice. And then it just has these little clips here. There are 3 little slots and 3 little tabs on the bottom here, and that just sets on like that and then twists and kind of clips into place like that. So these don't have wing nuts underneath them, so you would just do an Allen wrench to take that off of there. And these I've noticed this in the past, these will get hung up a little bit, so you have to kind of shimmy one side under a little bit, and then yeah, you just kind of have to shimmy it around this wheel head, click it into place. And you'll also notice if you're throwing straight on this with this splash pan, hopefully you can see that, you would have a real mess, because this water is going to go onto the wheel, not into the splash pan. So throwing right on this would be a little messy unless you're just a very clean or no water potter. That was a good rhyme, no water potter, which I'm not. So you would want to have a bat of some sort. And again, these 2 that it comes with are pretty nice. They kind of have these little rubber gaskets here, probably to keep them nice and tight, keep them from doing that chatter. I don't know if you've ever had a bat that kind of chatters back and forth a little bit. And then finally you just have your 2 little spots here for, I usually put the water on one of these and the tools on the other, or distribute it around wherever. But these can be useful, or you can pile failed projects. I sometimes have a big mound of clay up here. We can flip it over, look at the bottom. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little rubber feet. So when you put this on the table, it's heavy enough that it doesn't need to be anchored down in any way. Unless, I mean, if you're getting really aggressive on this thing, maybe you'd want to have something to butt up against. But I've thrown all kinds of medium-sized things with just using the friction of this rubber on a tabletop. Anyway, that's the Shimpo Aspire pottery wheel. This is my first video in like a couple of years, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of them, so stay tuned and I'll see you with this bad boy when it's set up. Ciao. For my new Shimpo Aspire pottery wheel that I just got in the mail. Let's try that again. Hi. Hello. Hello there, from above. This is my new pottery wheel. I'm so excited. I'm really excited about my wheel. I'm about to unbox it and show you.